here to present our project titled a Smart Rover using ESP8266. A rover is a mobile controlled robot that can be moved across the surface of the ground and perform various tasks such as surveillance, monitoring and exploration. In this project, we have designed a Wi-Fi controlled rover that can be used at locations which allows us to control the rover using wirelessly through the smartphone. Now let's discuss the problem we wanted to solve. In many situations, especially in hazardous and inaccessible areas, it is risky for humans to go directly, for example, military surveillance, rescue operation and chemical leaks. To overcome this problem, we created a smart rover that can be remotely operated from a safe distance using Wi-Fi. Our aim is to build a low-cost, efficient and controllable vehicle that can be used for multi-purpose like surveillance, monitoring and transport dangerous signals. Now my friend explain.
Now we are going to see about the circuit connection and component we use. The component we use are ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. It serves as the brain of the rover. L298N motor driver, it controls the speed and direction of the rover. And the DC motor is to move the rover front, forward, backward, left or right in any direction. And the jumper wise and chassis body for wiring and connection. The 4-cell battery holder provide and supplies the power to the all components. And now we are going to see about the circuit connections. The input 1, 2, 3 and 4 of the motor driver pins are connected to the digital 1, 2, 3, 4 of the ESP82 Wi-Fi module. And now we are going to see about the process of connection. If we take a mobile phone or a computer, we want to download a web-based interface. Through that, we can control this rover.
Now I will explain the working, applications and advantages of our smart rover. Working. When the system is powered on, ESP8266 is connected to the Wi-Fi network. We can control the rover using wirelessly through our smartphone. Based on our input, Node MCU sent a signal to motor driver to move the rover in different directions. The rover can be used both indoors and outdoor purpose depending terrain and battery power. Applications. Our rover is used for surveillance and monitoring in restricted areas, helpful in research and rescue operations. It is adapted for agriculture monitoring. Advantages: wireless control with long range and cost-effective and easy to build. We can be modified the rover in many cameras and sensors for advanced application. Conclusion: to conclude, our smart rover using ESP8266 is concluded for people and improve safety in society. Thank you.